Stop by and take a look at the 2024 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, leather seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, 8 speakers, low tire pressure warning, compass. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.